How to do it an Instagram feed post in a reel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To begin with, tap open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Then, from here, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom. Locate the post to do it. Here you can use your own post or you can use others' post as well. Then, at the top you will see this three-dot icon, click on it and tap on the remix button. At the top you will see the camera icon, you need to click on it. Then at the side, you will see the person icon, click on it again. By clicking on this layout, you'll be able to select the Duet grid. So you can choose side by side, upside down or even use it as a green screen. After you have successfully do it, you can go ahead and select on effect, add music and more. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Hopefully you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.